Hello and welcome to my channel, Mommy Mobile. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to style your entryway very inexpensively. The first thing that you're going to need is a console table. So find your favorite console table wherever you want to shop. There's a lot of good places online, or you can do what I did. I actually got this console table at TJ Maxx. It was for about $100. I liked it because it's very unique. The way the legs curve, you just don't see that. I thought it was very sleek, sophisticated, and I liked that kind of style. The second thing that I did was family portraits. People ask me this all the time, and it's really very simple. I took my favorite pictures, and these were two of my favorites, and then I had one that was on my phone. I actually went to Walgreens. I know that that surprises most people, but Walgreens will actually blow your pictures up to whatever size you want, and then I had all the pictures printed in black and white. They always have a sale, so all you have to do is wait for their sale, and you can do this very inexpensively. I put all three photos in black frames so that it was very consistent with one another. This is the one that I got off my phone. It was an action shot of my son playing a basketball game. And I was able to use these. I put one photo on top, the biggest one, and then I put two on the bottom. The next thing that I added was candles. Candles always add just something that just makes you feel soothing. It's something that adds ambiance at night when it's glowing. So candles always are a good thing to use when you're styling. Okay, so I got these candles at Hobby Lobby, and remember, Hobby Lobby is a great place, not just for shopping for crafts, but for home decor. You can always use their 40% off coupon, so it makes it very inexpensive. So I got two of those, put one on each side. These candles I actually got at Ross very inexpensively. And then this vase, I as well got that at Ross for about 10 bucks. Even though it's $10, it doesn't look $10 when you put everything all together. And then the last thing that I did for my entryway was I added these candy dishes. This is actually an inspiration from the Kardashians. If you're a fan of keeping up with the Kardashians, if you look at their bar, they have these same candy dishes, and now you can find them everywhere. I actually got these at Home Goods, but you can get them at TJ Maxx, Home Goods, At Home, Walmart. They are everywhere. So I decided to get three, kind of representing each of my children, and I put their favorite candy in there. So that shows you how inexpensively you can style your entryway and make it look expensive.